Summertime isn't complete without a glass of ice cold limeade. Today I'm going to teach you how to make my sugar-free, homemade, old-fashioned limeade. Welcome to Food Crazed. We need some fresh lime juice for this recipe. So to start, let's take some limes and we need to roll them well on the counter. This will help to release the juice better when you juice them. I like using this old-fashioned juicer to press my limes and get my lime juice out. It works really well. As you're doing this, you need to pour out the lime juice into a strainer, which is over a measuring cup, because we're going to be measuring out 3/4 of a cup of fresh lime juice for this recipe. In addition to lime juice, we're going to be adding in a little bit of lemon juice. This is really going to help round out the flavor of this recipe, and it just makes this limeade taste great. We're going to take this fresh squeezed lemon juice, and we need 1/4 of a cup of lemon juice, and we're going to pour this also into our strainer, into our measuring cup, and make sure that we've gotten up to 1 cup total of a lemon lime juice. In a large pitcher, add 1/2 cup of agave, or you could use honey as well, but I personally love how agave tastes in this recipe. It's wonderful. Or if you don't have either of those, you can use 1 cup of sugar. Now to this, we need to add 1 cup of hot water. This will help dissolve your sweetener that you have in your pitcher. Give this a quick stir to help dissolve the sweetener into the hot water. Now to this, let's add our lime and lemon juice that we freshly squeezed. And add 6 cups of cold water. You could go ahead at this point even and take a little taste test to make sure everything's as sweet as you like it. This is a beautiful optional garnish to add if you're serving this immediately. You can add 1 to 2 fresh limes that are sliced up into this. Also, let's add about 2 cups or as much room as you have in your pitcher of ice, and this just really makes the drink very refreshing and cold. Now just give this a quick stir to combine these ingredients together. This is such a beautiful, refreshing drink to serve in the summertime. I love making old-fashioned limeade. I put a link in the description below to the full recipe. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more yummy recipes. Thanks again for watching.